Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between trade discount and cash discount. Discount is an allowance provided to the customers in specific circumstances. In business, there are two main types of discounts, that is, trade discounts and cash discounts. While trade discount is the reduction in the list price of the product, whereas cash discount is offered by the firms to its customers to encourage early payments. So, let's look into the basic differences between trade discount and cash discount in a tabular form. Difference number 1. Trade discount is a subtraction from the list price of the goods, allowed by the trader to the customer at an agreed rate. On the contrary, a cash discount is a discount allowed to the customer when he or she makes cash payment of the goods purchased within the stipulated time. Number 2. Trade discount is based on the amount of purchase or sales, that is, the more the sales the more will be the rate of discount, whereas cash discount is based on time, that is, the earlier the payment made by the debtor, the more will be the cash discount allowed. Number 3. Trade discount is always provided to the customer in fixed percentage, whereas the percentage of cash discount may or may not be fixed. Number 4. Trade discount is allowed to the customers because of business considerations like trade practices, bulk orders, etc. Conversely, cash discount acts as an incentive or motivation for stimulating payment within the specified time. Number 5. Trade discount is provided to increase sales in bulk quantity, while cash discount is given to the customers to encourage early and prompt payment. Number 6. Trade discount is allowed on both cash and credit transactions. In contrast, a cash discount is allowed to the customers only on cash payments. Number 7. Trade discount is not specifically shown in the company's financial books, and all the transactions are entered in the purchases or sales book in net amount only. In contrast, cash discount separately appears in the financial books as an expense in the profit and loss account. And difference number 8. Trade discount is deducted from the invoice value or catalog price of the goods, as against cash discount is deducted from the invoice value of goods. Basically, trade discounts are the discounts allowed by the manufacturers or wholesalers to the customers with the aim of increasing the sales volume, whereas cash discount is allowed to the customers by the sellers to increase the cash flow. A customer can enjoy both trade discounts and cash discounts if he or she is making cash payments for the goods purchased. So, these are the differences between trade discount and cash discount. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.